Hi guys, welcome back with Anisha. I'm back again with yet another delicious recipe. This is one of my quick biryani recipe. It's my version of it and I make it frequently whenever I crave for biryani. So it's a chicken biryani and this time I'm making a little bulk because I have some people coming over as well and my parents are also here. So let's quickly go ahead and see how I make this quick and simple chicken biryani. So in a kadhai, I heated 4 tablespoons of oil and in that I am shallow frying the chicken. It's almost 1 kilo and the chicken has been marinated with salt, black pepper and some lemon. So once it's half done, I'll take it out and then we'll start preparing its masala. So now you can see it's almost done, so I'm taking it out and in the same pan I will put 100 grams of butter and 2 chopped big chunks of potato, and in that goes all the dry spices, which has 6 cloves, 8 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 3 bay leaf, 2 cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of cumin and fennel seeds. Once it becomes nice and fragrant, we'll add 3 big sliced onion and in that I put 6 to 7 green chilies. And the potatoes color should be like this. It should be nice and brown and crispy from outside and soft from inside. So once the onions are little transparent, we'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well and let the ginger garlic raw smell goes. And in here I have cleaned and strained about 400 grams of rice, and now it's time to add some tomatoes. I'm chopping almost 3 big size tomatoes. So once the onion turns nice and brown, then we'll add. So it's slightly brown, so let's go out and get some fresh mint from my backyard. It's always good to have some fresh vegetables or herbs or fruits growing around you. It gives a lot of satisfaction to see that growing, and of course it tastes incredible. So mango seasons are over and now it's time for some fresh guavas and they taste delicious. Let me tell you, the ripe ones are nice and sweet, and little bit of black pepper and black salt, it goes to another level. I'm really grateful that my backyard do have some things to give me so that I can enjoy and relish all these organic fresh fruits and vegetables and herbs. And it's always good to have something fresh, with so many processed food around us. It's good to taste some fresh and real food. So here my onions are almost done. I now will add the cut tomatoes and put the lid and let it cook. Now that the tomatoes are nice and mushy and cooked, I am adding a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and we'll mix it well so that the dry smell of spices goes away. Like I said, I am making in little bulk, so you can reduce the spice amount, or if you want to be little more spicy, you can add more spice or green chilies. So now that it's done, I added the fried chicken and I'm mixing it well. And once that is done, I added my cleaned rice and in goes handful of mint leaves. If you have coriander leaves, I highly recommend to add that as well. Since I didn't add it, and we'll spread it well, mix it well and add a decent amount of water. So for this rice, I'm adding equal amount of rice and equal amount of water because this rice does not need a lot of water. So please adjust the amount of water according to your rice. This is completely option, guys. I added 3 boiled eggs because I like to have eggs in my biryani. I'm that sort of person. Comment down below if you also like to have egg in your biryani. And my biryani is almost ready. And see how fluffy the rice are. It's really, satisfying to see your rice fluff so well. So of course I'll be serving it with some homemade lemon pickle which my mother made, and of course some raita and onions on side. So do try this simple rice chicken recipe, or chicken biryani in my term, I would like to say. I'm sure some people would like to differ. However, it's delicious, guys. Do try, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family so that they can also try. And of course, see you soon.